Hello everyone and welcome. Today we are going to start working on the case and we are going to attach the battery to the case. So the first thing I did was measuring the center of my box and I did a rough line. It doesn't need to be dead line in the center, but center-ish. So then I've measured my battery and I measured where the beginning will be and where the end will be. And I've marked two lines just to help me guide where the battery will stay. So as you can see, the battery is going from one line to the other, and then roughly putting the battery in the center of the box, I will make 4 lines. It doesn't need to be very precise, so one in each corner of the battery, and like I said, it doesn't need to be very precise. I'm trying to make the best I can, but so now with those 4 lines cut, we are going to use some bracers. We are going to cut them out and use these bracers right here to attach the battery to the case. So we'll fit it around the battery and inside the case, and we will secure the battery in place. Well, with the Raspberry Pi, we need to disconnect this video port, this yellow thing, and it's very easy. All you need to do is unsolder those pins right there and pull it out of the other side in order for it to disconnect. There is no need to worry about it, just be careful. And now you can see the finished product right here. I have the battery attached to the case with those bracers. You can see there's the button and I can see the LEDs and I can power on and power off my battery. Now for the Raspberry Pi, as you can see, I've removed the video jack and I left solder in the holes right there. It just made it easy and I didn't want to get rid of it. And as you can see, it fits on the box and that's where it's supposed to be. Well, I've started to try to take these posts out because I wanted to cut a hole in the side of the box where the power jack would go into the Raspberry Pi, but then I remembered that I don't know yet where to drill the hole because I don't know the height of everything once everything is assembled, so I just didn't cut it and I'm waiting for it to I'm waiting for myself to find the height of the project before I cut it. And as you can see, I'm powering the Raspberry Pi with the battery, and as you can see, the Raspberry Pi turns on, and if you wait a little bit, the USB dongle, Wi-Fi dongle, should start to blink, and that signals me that everything is working and I can now connect to this Raspberry Pi. So the project is working perfectly and I can now start work on the next thing. So my goals to the next week are to improve the wiring of my LCD and my buttons, and I will start working on the shield that connects to the Raspberry Pi and has the LCD and the buttons all wired in. So until the next time guys, I hope you enjoyed and have a nice day.